In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share OneNote in a Zoom meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to display your notes clearly to everyone in the call, without confusion or awkward pauses. This works whether you're the host or a participant, and it's great for teaching, presenting project plans, or walking a team through ideas. First, join the Zoom meeting. Once you're in, make sure you can see the Zoom toolbar along the bottom of the window. If it's hidden, just move your mouse and it will appear. You don't need to change any advanced settings. You just need access to the Share Screen button, which we'll use in a moment. Next, open OneNote on your computer. Have the notebook, section, and page you want to show ready to go. It's helpful to clean up your view a bit. Collapse the navigation pane if you don't need it, zoom in so the text is easy to read, and scroll to the part of the page you plan to discuss first. This way, the moment you start sharing, your audience sees exactly what you want them to see. Now return to Zoom and click the Share Screen button on the toolbar. It's the green icon in the center. This opens a window showing everything you can share. From the sharing options, select the OneNote window. You may see choices like your entire screen or other apps. Choose the specific OneNote window so only your notes are visible to participants. This keeps the focus on your content and avoids showing unrelated windows. If you don't immediately see OneNote listed, make sure OneNote is open on your desktop and not minimized, then look again in the selection panel. Finally, click Share. Zoom will switch into sharing mode, and your OneNote page is now visible to everyone in the meeting. Speak clearly, scroll slowly so people can follow along, and use the OneNote tools you already have on the page. If you need to switch pages or sections, do it deliberately and give a quick verbal cue so your audience knows what changed. Watch for the small zoom controls at the top of your screen so you can stay oriented while you present. That's the entire process. Join the meeting, open OneNote, click Share Screen, select the OneNote window, and click Share. With those steps, you can confidently present your notes, plans, and ideas in a clean, professional way. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next Zoom session with OneNote.